Tired of messy notes? Let's turn your Notion workspace into a creative canvas and draw directly within Notion to bring your ideas to life. First, open a new or existing page in Notion now. Here's the trick: Notion doesn't have dedicated drawing tools, so we're going to get creative with what we have. Type toggle list and hit enter. This will create a toggle list now. Type a single period into the toggle and then close the toggle. This creates a basic dot. Highlight that dot and copy. This is our brush. Now paste this dot repeatedly, using spaces and enters to arrange them into basic shapes like lines, squares, or even simple diagrams. Use the spacebar to create horizontal lines and the enter key to stack them vertically. Think of it like pixel art. You can create all sorts of shapes like this. Get creative with colors by highlighting sections of your dot drawing and changing the text color. You can even use bullet points and dashes to add further variation to your drawings. Use callouts, callout and arrows made out of dashes greater than to connect your drawings and text. Building mind maps and flowcharts. Experiment with different shapes and arrangements to visualize your ideas. That's it. With a little creativity, you can create surprisingly effective visual elements directly within Notion now. Go unleash your inner artist and bring your Notion pages to life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks.